Alright, so we're in level 7. And in this if condition right here, we're now given the choice to either check if there's a path ahead, to the left, or to the right. So we'll be making use of this. Now, before we even do the code, let's take a look at this board. What I would do when trying to solve a level is to imagine that I'm this person, right? What would I do if I was him? So if I was this guy, I would go straight, which is just move forward, and then I would turn right, okay, because he's facing there. I'll turn right, and then move forward again. Then when I'm here, I'm turning. This is actually right because of the direction he's facing. Then over here, he'll turn right here again. Alright? So you realize we're only turning right. Okay? So we'll just repeat until the end. So we'll keep moving forward. Of course, this doesn't work yet. Right? So we'll now have an if path to the right. That means if there's a choice, like if we are able to turn right, then we'll turn right. And this should already work. So let's see. There you go. That's too bad.